My name is Nathaniel Hannon. I've got two cars that Ron's worked on. I've got an E39 546 speed from 1999, and that's been bumped up to Dynon Stage 3, which means that it's got everything, including suspension, supercharging, electronics modifications. Everything they do, it's on the car. I've also got an E38 740 with a custom motor in it, and again, everything that the Dynon company does on top of that, and it's close to 700 horsepower. So I do a lot of business with Ron, and I do business with Ron because he's very knowledgeable, he's very honest, sometimes painfully so, but it's worth every minute that I'm around his shop. I've spent a lot of money at Ron's too, but that again is worth every penny because unlike with a lot of other people, you know you're getting what you paid for. And that's a commodity that's hard to find in the world of aftermarket modifications. A lot of people make a lot of big claims that aren't necessarily true. Here at Ron's, he's always honest. He's got the experience and the qualifications to ensure that you're going to come away with exactly the product that he describes and exactly the product that you paid for. If you're not happy, he's going to make you happy, and he has with me on both of my cars. The difference is most noticeable for me on my E39 540. When I bought my 540 a few years ago, it was stock. It belonged to a very dear friend of mine. I had known the car almost since new, so I knew that it had been well taken care of, so I was comfortable buying it used. But given that I'm the sort of person who can't possibly live with a stock car, I took it here to Ron, and he started out with the basics, and we moved on from there. And many painful thousands of dollars later, it puts a big smile on my face every time. I can't ever lock up. I can't ever lock up in first gear. I'm always leaving 11s all the way down the road. It really surprises people a lot because it's a very stealth-looking car. But you know, I took it out to Colorado this summer and had a lot of fun on those roads out there to the point that I went through a set of Michelins in 4,000 miles. And you know, it's the kind of thing that it's really satisfying every time I get in the car. I know exactly what I'm going to get. And if I ever have any problem with it, take it back here, and I don't have a problem with it for very long. I recently acquired Ron's former project car, the car that he had done for business promotional purposes. He decided he needed to get an M6 for future marketing purposes. I bought his old 740. The 740 has extensive work done. The block's been bored from 4 liters to 4.9 liters. Steel sleeves, aluminum pistons, beryllium rods, stainless steel crank, lots of custom head work, custom valve work, port and polish, all that jazz, and custom transmission to handle all of the power. I took it on its first real road trip since the engine had been created this summer out to West Texas, from Atlanta to El Paso, out there through Dallas-Fort Worth, back through Austin. And I won't say how fast I went on videotape, because I don't want to be prosecuted, but let's just say that I got there very expeditiously. And with the kind of power it's got and the kind of speeds I was going, significantly advanced of the limit. I got over 20 miles a gallon. The point is, not only is it fast, not only is it powerful, you can get that out of any American muscle car. The fact that you can get over 20 miles to the gallon in a car around 700 horsepower, going at triple-digit speeds for hours and hours in killing Texas heat, means that not only is it powerful and fast and fun when you put your foot down, but technologically it's very advanced as well. And the tuning is also very advanced. Here in Georgia we have emission standards, and since this is a 1995 car, OBD1, I had to get it manually tested, where they put the sensor in the exhaust pipe. Took it to an old mom and pop shop that's been doing emissions testing since the beginning of Georgia emissions testing. They thought their machine was broken because the reading for carbon monoxide was 0.001. They don't see readings like that on brand new cars. The idea that you can modify a car that extensively, have that much power, and have it run so clean is incredible. And that's all down to Ron. He designed the engine, he built the engine, and the engine's now got over 30,000 miles on it without a peep. Anybody who can do something like that is somebody that I am going to trust my cars to forever, and you should too.